your total cholesterol level is 290. How are you feeling right now?
Yeah, okay, but like chest pain continues randomly.
So basically, let me define it quickly to you. This chest pain is because of the high cholesterol level. This cholesterol gets accumulated into the veins, and to be telling you superficially that this is just because of the blockage of some veins. You get it? Okay. If you get it, you don't get it. Anyways, you have to follow this diet plan. Okay. So start your breakfast with some light oats and nuts. Also, what do you take in lunch?
Anything less cost of mostly sambar chawal or something. I'm a vegetarian, but then it's
You are a vegetarian, so you cannot take lean protein. So what I suggest you is that you can just take tofu and any such materials that contains fat should be avoided strictly. Okay. Also, to fill up your snacks and all, you can take nuts, you can take berries, etc. Also, what do you take for your dinner?
something like dosa, sambar.
Very good. Actually, that is also preferable. You should take anything light, and this will be also good for your mental and physical health. So now I'll be handing over to clinician right now. Okay. Have a good day. Please go to.
I'm Aryan Singh and I'll be representing creatine kinase MB. So creatine kinase MB, I am a derived isoenzyme from creatine. Creatinine is a waste product of metabolic activities. I'm found in the heart, skeletal muscle, and brain tissue. In normal condition, I'm totally undetectable. But in the condition of myocardial ischemia, I am detectable because my levels will be observed in the blood. And I'm also a specific marker for heart muscle damage. My levels are observed increasing in 3 to 6 hours after necrosis of cardiac cells. My peak levels are right at around half a day, 12 to 24 hours after heart attack, and my levels will stabilize after 2 to 3 days. Thank you.
Hi Divya, I'm Sanyukta. I'm your facilitator's guide. Your cardiac markers has been raised. This is generally because of the there's a damage or stress to your heart muscles. In this case, this is a myocardial ischemia, so heart muscle isn't getting enough blood flow, so therefore your cardiac biomarkers has been increased. The next one was the kinetics of the cardiac biomarkers. The kinetics of the biomarkers are like cardiac troponins, CKMB, and LDH. These are all the cardiac biomarkers when there is a damage to your heart muscle or when there is not enough blood flow to your heart. So this has some peak time and durations when they are getting elevated and return to their normal values. So I will be giving you this every data we have. The next one is the serum lipids level indicate. This indicates the developing cardiovascular diseases you might have. So, as the clinician has confirmed, you have myocardial ischemia. Your HDL, LDL, and total triglycerides will be increasing in your blood. So and the next is dyslipidemia. So that is obstructing your coronary blood circulation because there is an elevated fats or lipids in your blood. And investigation we can do for the myocardial ischemia is like we will be detecting your cardiac biomarkers closely, and if there is a raise in CKMB on your cardiac troponin during ECG. Okay, thank you.